Tornado. How's it going? All right, what you got there, buddy?
Hold on,
Oh, you're the Ford guy?
that red Mustang over there from the Wall Street.
That's yours? Which one you came in with?
Mine's the first black truck on the right-hand side as you turn. Oh, I'm parked right beside that Cutlass.
Okay. Got a Cobra, Terminator Cobra. I'm just recording for my YouTube videos, man.
Look at it real close.
Oh, I'm gonna spin around.
Two-door Ford Explorer.
Two-door Ford Explorer.
Black on black.
That's yours?
What do you see? Open the doors up. Look inside.
Okay.
Kind of cool.
No, I ain't gonna open the doors. I'm gonna open the doors over you over there. I just wanna, no, I'm not gonna open up the doors.
Tell me my brother that he let you take it.
I got a 97 Firebird. So, yeah, mine's a T-top. We got this.
This thing with all these V8 engines would be worth 10 years from now. All
Right.
these battery operated, they can't charge them up.
Right.
So what's going to happen?
Huh?
Now there's a LT1.
Yeah, these supposed to be these supposed to compete with the 5.7.
Yeah.
The 5.7, because
And they're fast.
yeah. RS package is nice. Recaro seats. I want the C7 Corvette. I like these as well. Boop, boop, boop. Walking around, huh? We got the Mustang right here. Cobra. Got the old Thunderbird. Oh, see, that's the old steering wheel where it's like if you don't want to drive, throw it to the.
Room to get in and out.
Nah, throw it to the passenger. They'll drive.
Yeah.
That's what that's for. I always wanted to drive one of these.
I walked up around it just because.
Hellcat. This is my first time seeing the Hellcat Supercharger in person. Ooh, we got the cut dog. We got the cousin. Sounding good. Y'all take the muffler off, man. Take that muffler off. Oh, get it active at least. For sale. You got the matching one in the back. This the car. This the one everybody loves. Everybody loves this for Smokey and the Bandit. Stick shift. Wait till Mama said Granddad had one of these. Got the metallic sparkle paint job.
Peanut butter seat, that's pretty.
Yep. Got the Beetle. Just imagine, this is where it started with the Mustangs. I love the color combination of it. It's nice. I love the color combination.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, the seats.
Is this lady with you?
Yes, my sister.
Hi.
Sister.
Yeah,
You
huh?
always said that. I say the same thing. Would you like your picture taken in the car?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, hell yeah.
I got my phone.
Okay. I'm myself out.
How about if I open the...
33.
There you go.
All right. Thank you so much.
You are more than welcome. You have fun and enjoy the show, okay?
All right.
Watch yourself.
Thank you.
Yours about 9 miles long. There you go.
How long have you had it?
4 years.
Got the Bel Air. You know, these cars inspire off of planes.
What you mean?
That's why I got that plane right there. That hold on, that's a plane. What year is this? What year is this?
55.
55. That's one of the first generations, ain't it? One of the first generations, Bel Air?
First generation.
Yeah. Yeah, this is,
Big.
I'm
change.
actually the third owner of the car.
I wish I could say that. Man, I don't know how many.
It's a North Carolina car. I found it in North Carolina.
So yeah, you ain't got to worry about the salt and rust down there.
Yeah. And it was, so I actually have the sticker window for it. It was sold in, or built in Baltimore.
Baltimore, Massachusetts. I mean, Maryland.
Yeah, Maryland.
Okay.
Maryland, yeah.
Lynn, I think what you were asking was it a model?
No,
Oh,
no,
okay.
nah.
There
It was a big change.
There
in
was a
55.
55, 56, and a 57.
Yeah, I know. Some of them they made the more the back of it came out more.
Right, that's a 50.
Yeah, it had
More like a plane, and they had integrated the gas cap and
the 56
The
and
light
the
bulb.
55 look a lot alike, except for the grill.
right.
But the 56 had the gas on the tail light. The 55, I have a door.
Yeah, I watch a lot of Jay Leno. That's how I know about this stuff.
But if you
Yeah.
want to see how extreme, if you ever get a picture or a chance to look at a 54, 1 year older, it doesn't look anything like this. This was a big body style change for Chevy.
It looks amazing though. It's right. It don't matter how much we advance in cars, they'll never make them like this no more. They have the whole bench seat, you can lay down and go to sleep. They don't do that no more. By the way, I'm in the black Charger right there, so I'm new school with it. Thank you. This is what I was hearing right here. 442. This is Chevelle right here. Ain't nothing like the old schools, man. Nothing like the old schools right here. Delta. This was a Cyclone for a second. Typhoon. They came out the Cyclone and Typhoon. It was the fastest trucks at the time. El Camino. Yeah, what? Man. Batman. You can't get them like this no more. The curves, the edges, you can't get them like that no more. It's like a go-kart on steroids, ain't it?
Basically, yeah.
You don't mind me recording you, man?
Oh, it's all good.
Would you mind telling me about your name and your vehicle?
Yeah, I'm Dave McNeil. This is my 2016 Aero Atom 3S.
Okay.
It's made in the U.S., but based on a car over in England. So it's got a Honda Civic motor with a turbo.
Okay, I was just gonna ask you that kind of motor is, and then because I know some people swap these off the Cobalt engines, any type of 4-cylinder engine. People usually put them in there.
Yeah. So the old ones and the ones in England, we're using Cobalt motors. This one's a Honda K24.
Okay. I was just gonna ask you K-swap. Okay,
Yeah,
so yeah,
K-swap.
you got any, you boosted or just NA?
This is a turbo, and it's on 85.
What size turbo?
I want to say it's pretty small. It's going to be probably like 30. It's a small engine.
How many pounds of boost you running?
This one's running 15.
15. Yeah, I know you ain't got no traction.
Nah.
Once you get on it, you ain't got no traction.
No, not really. So.
It's pretty nice, man. I've always seen this type of stuff on Forza. Never in person.
There's not a lot of them around.
Yeah, I love the carbon fiber wing though.
Yeah.
Some people don't like that, but it really helps keep the back planted.
Yep.
That's what I try to tell people. But like I said, my name is Monte, man. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you for showing me your car. So this the Bel Air he was talking about right here. Yeah, already seen that. Yeah, already know who that is. Oh, the car is unlocked if you need to get in it. So the car is unlocked. Ford Lightning right here. I think this might be the, I forgot what generation this is, but this is where it started. Everybody getting these C7s now. Matter of fact, my first time up close on one. Beautiful car, man. I'm sorry, I stepped on your flat. Stingray. Got the hell Keezy again.
Turn around. He comes back, he pulls in my drive, and he gets out. He goes, oh, and I'll keep you there.
Man, red eye, you can see. Red eye. OMC. Which one? Oh yeah, Matt. Roush. Look at the blower.
Ooh, look at that one.
These are the depth shafts right here.
They seem to be pretty reliable. I've just changed oil on it. The number of years I've had it, it's been perfect.
Crazy.
The only thing that did happen was my
Can you imagine driving the car without any safety features?
What do you mean?
No airbags, no ABS.
Why would I want to do that?
That's what this is.
But why would you want that?
it's strictly for the racetrack.
Oh, well, yeah, you kind of need those.
Why? It ain't no kind of food.
That ride. It's a hot ride right here.
Why ain't got no food?
That's what it's for.
Yeah, not school.
And I've seen a couple others that.
This the truck I was trying to tell Mo. The Roush blower right here.
Yep, and the guys are going, I'd like to bring it back, but I can't find the fender I need, or the door, or just can't find it. Unless you find another one that's been hit.
Mind if I do?
Quite often those parts are gone, just like that.
Say free tour.
Because there's none of them out.
He works at a dealership. I thought that. Wish I can do that. Take a car from the dealership to here.
Right? That might be his. I don't know. He has the T-shirt on, but he got a personalized plate on it, so it might be his.
You never know. It might be. Look at the little dog. Oh, they got Steelers, Roush wheels. American Racing with the Roush embroidery on it. Steelers tire stickers. Steelers fan. Man, this is nice.
Yeah, me too. I know.
I had to check out the Vipers again. That's crazy. Difference of generations. That's a little kit car.
Could be.
That little aerial, yeah.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it was that.
That's quite a car.
That baby ghost.
Yep.
I don't think I showed this car. The Well Racing's Turbo Jet. Man. Look how big this back seat is. That's crazy. That's G-force in that. Another C8. Check out this phenomenal thing. Looks like a horror movie, don't it?
There was a real good discussion there.
Another old school cut dog. What? Sleeper build.
So there's a
Big body.
two buildings there. There's a bigger one that looks like an office and then another one.
Surely. No, nothing but carburetor. Smell nothing but carburetor.